on this 2019 TLX. We're going to take the fenders off. One down in here that doesn't like nobody. Alright. Then we got 110 bolt in here. $110 down here. Voila. That's how you take off the fender on the passenger side on the TLX. It's a 19 model. We're going to go ahead and jam those parts, and then we'll go ahead and assemble that car. We're letting the seam seal dry and all the paint. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. Corey, we'll put a jump box on this, we'll raise the windows up, and we'll go from there.